Hi, welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Balk Springs Library. I'm Miss Teresa. This is where we make easy recipes for teens, adults, or your whole family. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, Valentine's is right around the corner. For our Foodie Friday, we're going to make chocolate covered strawberries. So of course you will need a container of strawberries. Try to find the one that has the biggest, fattest strawberries you can find because you're going to need those. And then for the ones we're going to do today, you'll need some chocolate, your choice. Mine is sugar-free. You're going to need some sprinkles. I need red sprinkles for the character we're going to try to do today. If you have some white frosting, use that, but I didn't. So I have these little bitty, it's going to drop on me. These little bitty star sprinkles. That's going to work for his buttons, okay? I don't care that his buttons isn't really stars. For our purpose, it will be. You're going to need a skewer because you're going to be able to dip the strawberry and roll it. You're going to need some mini marshmallows. And then you're going to need some containers to melt your chocolate in and put your sprinkles in, okay? And then the last thing you're going to need is some wax paper to let your strawberries dry. All right, so take out your biggest, fattest strawberries. Wash your strawberries, let them dry. They are very dry and washed. I did that this morning. So we're going to start by taking the tops off of them. And I know that's not traditional for chocolate covered strawberries, but for the purpose that we need it, we need to remove the top, okay? We're going to stick the skewer in. And don't poke it all the way through. You just need it so that way it'll hold whenever you're dipping and rolling, okay? And you're going to repeat this process for all of these strawberries, okay? And then we're going to put our chocolate in the microwave for 30 seconds. And give it a stir with a spoon. See how the melting consistency is. If you need to melt it, do it in 5-second intervals and check it every 5 seconds to make sure it keeps warm. One tip that I did not bring, I'm sorry, I do apologize, but if you're working in large batches with the chocolate, bring a heating pad, turn it on high, put your melted chocolate on top of it. It will keep that chocolate mobile and lucent so that way you can dip quite a bit, because otherwise the chocolate will get cold and start hardening. So if you keep it on a heating pad, it'll last longer, okay? We'll be right back. Okay guys, so we're back. Our strawberries are here. I've put them all on skewers. I did microwave my chocolate, and I microwaved it for a total of 1.5 minutes. Oh, excuse me. And I microwaved it for 30 seconds first, and then I was doing 30 seconds to begin with, and then I was doing 10 seconds intervals after that until it got completely melted, okay? Now my character that I'm going to do, it has some ears on him. And so I got my mini marshmallows, and I put a little bit of chocolate on my strawberry, and I'm putting my mini marshmallow here and here for his ears. And this is my own creation. I did not steal it from anybody. So it's just something I was looking at and thought, you know what, I bet I could do that. So don't come at me for any royalties because I didn't steal it from anybody. So we're going to repeat this process on all of these, okay? Now, if you were doing regular chocolate covered strawberries, you do not have to do all this process of putting the marshmallows on and blah, 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 blah. And actually, you don't even have to take off the stems. You would leave them on, just push them up out of your way, and then dip it in chocolate, okay? This is just if you want to do something extra, if you want to be extra for Valentine's Day, we're doing a little extra, okay? So, sometimes we just got to be extra. All right, so we have all of our ears on. My chocolate is cool. Now we're going to dip this all in chocolate, and then we're going to dip just the bottom part in our red sprinkles, okay? Okay, now we're going to repeat the same process, dipping the strawberries and then putting them only halfway into the red, okay? So we'll be right back. Okay guys, we're back. We've dipped them all. We've stuck them in the sprinkles. This is what they look like. And all I did from there was got a little bit of chocolate, put it on my star sprinkle, and made the little buttons. Can you guess who he is? I hope you had fun with this video and make your own creations. Thanks for watching. Bye. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday. I hope you had fun making the recipe. Remember to like, follow, share. We love seeing your creations. Also, if you're a local restaurant in the Box Springs Mesquite area and like to be featured on one of our programs, please contact the Box Springs Library. We'd love to have you as a featured guest. And until next time, bon appetit.